Just got this package in the mail. Yeah. Yeah, that should be it. Observe precautions for handling. Alright. Alright. So I got 4 of these now, which means I'm going to be up to 16. I'm going to go on apple.com. Pretty sure I know how to change it, but I would rather be sure. This one's a 2008 model, DDR2, 4 gigs of RAM. Good machine, honestly. Obviously slower than my iMac, but it's still a good machine, still a solid system. I'm online. And I don't use it for video anymore. It would be so sluggish. That's why I got my iMac. In fact, if you notice, my earlier videos have a slightly distorted resolution. I wasn't able to work with 1080p on this machine. I always had to convert it to a lesser, smaller resolution, thereby decreasing the 1080p quality to half. Okay, I need a Phillips screwdriver. The fuck? I thought this was a Phillips. Well, here's one. It's true. My dad has an electric screwdriver. Why didn't I take that? I'll tell you why I didn't take that. I'm a fucking idiot. Can't believe I didn't take the electric. What the fuck is this? The 1800s? I mean, what the fuck? Is slavery still fucking around? What the fuck? Alright, it's coming out. Alright, so it's fairly simple. Untuck. Alright, so untuck. Gently untuck. Come on, let's get some fucking light. What the fuck is this? The fucking Dark Ages? Jesus Christ. Okay, so untuck. If I remember correctly, pull. There we go. Okay. Okay, so it was on this way. So far, so good. Actually, the first time I tried it didn't work because I didn't press the RAM hard enough. So make sure, kids at home, that you press it hard enough. I was just scared of damaging, you know? I don't want to do too hard, but then you don't end up putting the RAM in. Okay, let's just watch. Alright, back. Alright. Excellent. Alright guys, so that's how you install RAM on iMac.